Vivo S20, a camera-focused phone, has just launched today. It features a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, an excellent portrait camera, a slim and stylish design, a large battery, and more. Friends, today I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo S20, which has been launched in China. This phone will soon launch globally under the name Vivo V50. Hey everyone, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we remove the plastic wrap from the box. The box has a simple design. Opening the lid, the first thing we see is the phone itself. As for the accessories, it includes a 90-watt power adapter with a Type-A output. The charger supports a maximum output of 8.2 amps at 11 volts. There's also a white Type-C to Type-A data cable, which is quite thick to support the 8.5 amp output. Additionally, you get a regular transparent case. Let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. Vivo's S series is always known for its stylish looks and excellent portrait cameras. This color is called Phoenix Feather King Kong by the company, and it resembles a gold shade. The back cover has a stunning design. At first glance, you'll notice a whitish pattern, but when you change the angle, golden sparkling lines appear, making it look even more premium. You can view the phone from different angles, and at each angle, the texture effect looks unique. It's like a bunch of feathers that shine beautifully when light hits them. In the video, it might not look that impressive, but seeing the phone in person feels next level. The feather-like texture also helps prevent visible fingerprints. Looking at the camera module design, it's quite similar to the Vivo S19 series, which is known globally as the V40 series. The top area of the camera module houses the camera lenses, while the bottom area features a studio-level soft halo light. What makes it stand out is the golden texture on the rim of the camera module, matching the phone's gold color. Personally, I really like the phone's design. As you know, Vivo's S series, known globally as the V series, always comes with stylish and attractive designs. Talking about the Vivo S20's battery, it comes with a massive 6500 mAh battery. Despite this large battery, the phone is just 7.19 millimeters thick and weighs only 190 grams, making it very light and slim to hold. As for the display, it features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. There's no plastic bracket between the screen and the frame, but this time, the phone's frame is made of plastic. The frame has a shiny finish, so fingerprints will be visible on it. The screen offers a maximum manual brightness of 800 nits and supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring accurate colors for photos and videos. Coming to the cameras, the Vivo S20 features a dual rear camera setup. It includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 16mm focal length equivalent and a 50-megapixel main camera with a 23mm focal length equivalent. The main camera also comes with optical image stabilization, OIS. At the bottom of the camera module, there's a soft light with 4 brightness adjustment levels. You can also adjust its color temperature from cold to warm. This soft light acts as a supplementary light in different environments. For example, if the ambient light is cold, lowering the soft light's color temperature will ensure your photos don't look blue. Similarly, if the ambient light is warm and you increase the soft light's color temperature, you'll get better skin tones in photos. This feature works like a professional flash, allowing you to adjust color temperature for different effects in your photos. With this phone, you can experiment with various color temperatures to enhance your pictures. And as always, Vivo's S series, or V series globally, is known for delivering excellent portrait photos. You can also see some portrait photo samples here. The background cutout in these photos is very close to what you'd get with a DSLR camera. This time, you can adjust beautification and bokeh effects in portrait photos. Plus, there are many new photographic filters added, each of which is very practical. You can also use AI features in portrait photos, allowing you to change the background as well. You can also change the look of your photos using AI, allowing you to edit them in different ways. Even when taking photos in daily life, the results are quite good. You can check out some sample photos here. You can also create GIFs and capture moving photos, similar to live photos. As for selfies, the phone has a 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus. This time, you also get a dual LED flash for better selfies in low light. The phone also offers many other useful features, like using the screen as a mirror and the ability to pause. You can also apply a zoom effect to the screen, which is quite practical. Talking about performance, the Vivo S20 comes with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor built on a 4nm platform. As for the operating system, it runs Origin OS 5 based on Android 15. The OS is well optimized and the animations are very smooth. The phone also has AI features, which I will cover in detail in the review video, like the eye drawing summary feature. You can also have continuous conversations with the AI. This phone isn't performance-focused, but the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor is great for daily use. However, if you're thinking of playing high-end games on this phone, you might experience some struggle. The phone offers strong vibration feedback and is quite lightweight and thin, with a large battery for long-lasting use. The 6500 mAh battery easily lasts for 2 days with average use. Even if you set the refresh rate to 120 Hz and use the phone heavily for 4 hours a day, the battery still has 50% remaining. So, the battery life is impressive. If you go out, you won't need a power bank. The phone also supports 90-watt fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 53 minutes. The price of the Vivo S20 starts at £2,299 CNY for the base variant in China, £250 in the UK, and $318 in the USA. In conclusion, the main selling points of the Vivo S20 are its portrait camera, lightweight and handy design, and large battery. However, if you're looking at this phone from a performance perspective, it may not be the best choice for you. Also, as I mentioned, Vivo's S series will be launched globally under the V series name, and the Vivo V50 might be the name for the global release. So, what do you think about the Vivo S20? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.